It's snowing.
We're going to the cabin. We're gonna go skiing. We're gonna eat good food. We brought the dog, the family dog. Her name is Emma. She's a Shetland sheepdog. She's very cute. She's almost 12 years old. She doesn't look like it, but she's an old lady. So the cabin is located in Kongsberg. It's a 40-minute drive from our hometown. The cabin is quite small and doesn't have any plumbing, so it definitely gives the ultimate cabin experience. We had to use snowshoes in order to get from the car to the cabin because of all the snow.
Yes. Hjälp. Nej.
After eating breakfast, we started to get dressed to go skiing. The weather was absolutely beautiful that day, so we were really excited. What is it?
Yeah, so my pants are size 12 years old, so they're kind of short. But it doesn't show when I have the skiing boots on.
Yes,
so
it does.
We're good. No, it doesn't.
It for sure gonna. It
No.
will. It will for
It
sure
looks
show.
like Pentalos.
Jesus Christ. So now we're going to Kongsberg Ski Center, which is a center for skis, I guess. It's pretty decent slopes, not the best ones, but they're close to the cabin. So it's the best we've got today. I haven't been skiing since last year.
I have been skiing once.
So I'm still gonna be faster and better than her, of course.
No,
but
you're
that's-
not. We'll
Of course
see.
Of course I am, but you know how that is. But yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
You excited?
Very excited. It
Yeah.
seems like the slopes are looking really good. The weather is fucking perfect.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's absolutely perfect today. So I'm looking forward to skiing.
Yeah, me too.
So we're done skiing for the day. We just went to the store, bought some snacks we haven't seen before. Now we're gonna taste it. Oh, the light changed.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to show them.
Yeah, this is chili, peanuts covered in something, cheese and chili. Probably gonna be like chili nuts, but apparently they're quite hot.
I don't think anything that's supposed to be hot is hot enough, so we'll see.
I really like chili nuts.
I give it like 6 out of 10.
If we're ranking it based on a new thing, then yeah, 6 out of 10. If we're ranking it off of just the taste and act like we haven't tasted chili nuts before, then it's a fucking 7-8 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, we're gonna taste test. It's jalapeno and sour cream. It smells like barbecue almost.
I actually think it smells like jalapeno.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, these were good.
What do you rate them?
As a chip,
Yeah.
9.
9. That's
I
high.
think so. Yeah, I really like them.
I think it's like an 8.
That's pretty high as well, though.
Oh.
But I could eat the whole bag easily.
It mostly tastes like sour cream, but with the jalapeno taste, but not the spice from jalapeno.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
I don't mind too much actually, though, because I actually like the jalapeno taste quite a lot.
Yeah. But it's
wanna
not
try these?
spicy.
Wanna try the last thing?
This is mini carrot cakes.
Carrot cakes, yeah.
Yeah.
Carrot cupcakes. Carrot cupcakes, yeah.
Carrot cupcakes, yeah. With frosting as well. Here you go.
Thank you. Yeah, these are fucking good.
Yeah. 10 out of 10.
These are actually fucking incredible.
Yeah. Ah!
The winner is the carrot cupcakes.
Yeah,
But apart
for
from
sure.
those, because they were like miles above it, they're 10 out of 10. I think the jalapeno creme fresh ones
Yeah.
from Sörlands chips, really good. Yeah.
I actually gonna change my mind. These are number one for me, but the where are they? Chili nuts.
Yeah.
They actually do have a spicy aftertaste, so I prefer the nuts over the chips.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So now we're gonna drive to the cabin, make some dinner with my mom, watch a movie, probably.
Yeah.
Linear TV, you know how it is. But yeah, it's been a good day. We've been out skiing the whole day. We randomly met some friends, as you probably saw. And it was overall just a really good skiing day. It was really nice.
I'm
and
tired.
much needed. Yeah, well, yeah, my knees fucked as well. But
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Lovise's cooking show.
I'm making ice and butter. Butter and ice.
We have buttered ice and baking and cold drink. Yeah, Lovise's cooking show.
So this was the last day at the cabin. We had to shovel quite a lot of snow from the ceiling. The trip was amazing. It felt good to be away from the city and just relax for a whole weekend. We hope you enjoyed.
Jump, jump.
Nej, tack.
It's not dangerous.
Utan det vill.
Let me see.
Oh no, look at my shoe.
Yeah. Same happened to me. Let me see you. Hey. We are going to the cabin.
Det skarte jag igen.